Good morning, everyone. Tia Kutzer from Bible in 1 Year. Today we look at Exodus chapter 22. In the Christian Standard Bible version, the chapter is broken down into several laws, namely laws about theft, laws about crop protection, about personal property, seduction, capital offences, and then laws protecting the vulnerable. Analyze each set of laws and answer the questions. Question 1. Do you think the requirements set forth by God is fair? Motivate your answer. Question 2. Will God's requirements settle the case between both parties to such an extent that it prevent future recurrences? Again, motivate your answer. Question 3. If these laws are instituted in our modern day, do you think crime rates will go up or down? Motivate your answer. Question 4. What does each set of laws tell you about A. God's righteous character, and B. about God's love? Also ponder on verse 30. Why do you think God set the requirement of 7 days for the cattle to be with its mothers? What does that tell you of God's love for His creation? Study the laws closely and take your time to answer the questions. It will shine new light on your insight of God's character. You may also discuss your answers with a fellow Christian or leader to help you. Amen. May you have a wonderful and blessed day.